Heyo! How's everybody doing out there? It's your old pal, Ramblin' Waters, back with another installment of whatever this thing is that I'm doing. Anyway, I was driving to work today, and I thought, why not make a video of that? After all, that seems to be the crux for most people that are trying to live that nomadic lifestyle. How do you make money when you're not in the same place for more than a few weeks at a time? How do you make all that money to put gas in your hybrid? So I'd like to share with you a few of the solutions that I've come up with to that whole making money problem. I'm at the Whole Foods right now. I just picked up a 2-hour delivery block, and this is done through a program called Amazon Flex. Amazon owns Whole Foods, so through the Flex program you can deliver groceries for them. You'd also deliver Amazon packages, as well as a few other things that I'll talk about probably in another video. Alright, next stop. 7 minutes away. 3.5 miles.